Hey YouTube, it's SJ. It's been a while, but I'm back with a very unusual unboxing for me. Today we're looking at the React Element 87 in the moss colorway. You ready? Almost did it right. Okay, right. Paperwork down there. Huxley, look after paperwork. Oh, you didn't see that. Didn't see that. Making a right pig's ear of this. Camera number 2. So these are the Nike React Element 87, not the Epic React, as I always want to say for some ridiculous reason. They are a men's US 7.5, a women's 9. Okay, that's weird because I'm normally a women's 8.5 in US, okay. UK 6.5. I did get a 6.5. Okay, this is for right, there's a long story to this which I'm not going to go into now, but these are a UK 6.5 people, which makes them a Brazilian 39, a CM 25.5, European 40.5. Let's take a look. So these launched on the 2nd of May, 1st of May. And I've been eyeing up Mr. B's undercover pair that he bought last year. Oh my word, these are nice. I just thought, you know, it's been a while since I bought a pair of sneakers. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Now, it was a real hard choice to make between these and the peach, I think it was the peach ones that came out on the same day. The others said they were sold out in my size, so I decided to go for these. And my word, they're nice. They're nice, Mr. B. Super nice. Okay, so let's take a proper look at these. Sorry, I forgot to do this because I'm that much out of practice. The colour of these is Moss Black Eldorado and the code is AQ1090300. Sorry about that. Let's get back to the sneaker. Okay, they are super light, super light sneaker. They've got this bonkers sole, which Mr. B says when he wears his, it sort of has this weird rockiness. And I actually put his on the other night in the kitchen and looked kind of ridiculous wandering around in his size 10.5 sneakers when I normally take a 6. Interesting on the foot. I don't really know where to start because it's so bonkers and it's such a different sneaker for me. You know, if you watch my unboxings, I'm very much blazer girl, Vans, you know, I like my retro style sneakers, but there is something about these I do really like. Now I went for this colour because I thought with a bit of a tan, yes, I know I'm being optimistic about the weather, but a bit of a tan in the summer, these will look kind of epic. Mr. B, we're gonna have to do lots of sneaker cam here. You've got this sort of plastic guard here around the back in this brown. Then you've got the brown, that's suede, not felt, with a really pale blue tick in there, which is really nice. I love pale blue and brown. I always think those two colours go really well together. People think I'm a bit mad, but pale blue and brown is a perfect colour match. Then you've got the little pull tag here, which is more of a silver colour. Then you've got this moss green, which is really nice. I'm really feeling green at the moment, which is why I decided that, yeah, let's just go for these. But the material is so weird, like proper weird. It's super light. And then obviously you've got this translucent material around here with the black swoosh. I'll take the paper out.
What's the quality feel like?
So far, the quality feels really good. I guess it's a weird one because there's not really much leather or suede on here, apart from at the back. Feels really nice. Your undercover version are wearing really well, I think. And I think the quality on these is as good as those, for sure. So I'm just gonna put my hand in so you can sort of see. Like the brown suede here, again with that blue. I really like the orange touch as well. Blue laces, I quite like these. Really nice blue laces with like stitching throughout them with the dot. And then you've got a small Nike swoosh here, you've got a little Nike swoosh here, then you've got these bubbly details. They are just bonkers. You've got orange stitching around the back. That's a nice sneaker, a really nice sneaker. You know what, I didn't think I'd like them when they arrived, but I do. On first look, I really like these a lot. I'm just gonna take the paper out of here. Now I can't remember what sort of lining Mr. B sneakers had, his undercover ones, but these have got And I'm just going to show this to you on Sneaker Can. Like a cork style insole with a big blue swoosh. Now the reason I got these in a 6.5 is because I've read quite a few reviews that they come up slightly smaller and that this material just does not give at all. And because of my experience with some of the men's Cortez in a size 6, and I've just found them too tight. Like I had to send the Kendrick Lamar House Cortez back and get them in a 6.5 because they were just too tight. There's just no give in them at all. Hence why I went for a 6.5 in these. And I've got to say, that looks quite small. So I'm glad I did go with a 6.5. Mr. B sticks true to size with these. I checked with him the other day before I decided to order these. But yeah, I think these are gonna fit me fine. And I'm really looking forward to trying these on and just seeing what they look like on. As I said, totally different sneaker for me. I'm like kind of thinking, what the hell am I going to wear them with? But this is a summer sneaker, you know, shorts, skirts. I can really see this working. Mr. B, have I missed anything out on these? Because I'm kind of a bit, whoa, they're too bonkers.
I knew you'd like them. I really knew you'd like them. Like, you've been looking at mine since when I first got them, and you're like, no, yeah, no, yeah, no. They're an amazing shoe. Like, they're not a skate shoe, but once you get them on, like mine are, like, they do feel narrow originally. Once you get them on and your feet get used to them, they are absolutely amazing. I love wearing them all day. They are so comfy.
Okay, want to go try these on now, so I'm not going to say anything else about these. Banging colorway. I think both drops that came out on the first were both super strong, but as I said, I'm just feeling the sort of greens and browns at the moment, hence why I went with these. If you picked a pair of these up, or you like these, or you don't like them, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Always interested to hear your thoughts. Did you pick a pair up from this pack? Have you got some of the previous versions? Let us know. I think these two drops are some of the strongest that they've done for a while actually in this design. And if you haven't already and you like what we're doing here on Pint of Stuff, don't forget to hit the old subscribe button down there. Don't forget to come along and join us on Sundays, where you can join in with our sneaker stream on Sunday, where we talk sneakers, what we've worn, what's been in the news, what you guys are wearing out there. It's good fun. Come along and join us. 8 p.m. here in the UK, with 12 p.m. on the west coast, and about 3 p.m. on the east coast. Can't remember what time that is in Tokyo. I think it's 5 a.m. on the Monday. But you know, time travel, I don't know. This isn't Star Trek. See you soon. Right, over and out. I'm going to try these on. Really liking these, really liking them. Please don't let me down when I try them on. Please, please, please. Right, Mr. B, trying them on. Getting out of here. They are a bit spacey.
Very spacey.
Spacey.
Spacey shoes. I think you're going to love them.
Damn, I didn't want to love them.
Why not?
Because my credit card bill. Eek. Sending you an invoice actually, Mr. B, because I've bought you 2 pairs of sneakers. You know, you got a £200 invoice coming your way very soon. Anyway, I'm going to try these on. Bye.